Despite Mamelodi Sundowns players making up the majority of Bafana Bafana's core side, their coach Rhulani Mokoena has revealed he has no relationship with national team coach Hugo Broos. The time to swap the club colors of the national team is fast approaching, and all focus will shift from domestic football to national duty with the upcoming 2026 FIFA World Cup qualification in mind. Sundowns, as is now common knowledge, run one of the most gruesome schedules owing to their exploits on the continent and their tendency to delve deep into most competitions they take part in. Despite this, their players will have very little respite when the season comes to a close, as they will once again have to do duty for their countries, something Mokoena has spoken about at length in the past. The subject reared its ugly head once again when Mokoena was questioned over whether there was communication between him and SAFA over the conditioning of their players on international duty. Mokoena, in response, painted a gloomy picture of his relationship with the association and in particular Coach Broos. He said, "No, I'm not in talks with SAFA. I don't have a relationship with the coach of the South African Football Association. So I focus on what I can do. I don't want to fight nobody, because once I start talking about those things, it's as if I'm fighting, and I'd rather stay out of that space and manage what I can manage, which is my players, and try my level best to make sure that they are fit and they are strong and that they are enjoying their football and improving." Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.